reason I wanted to do this course was because as a junior doctor, we're always encouraged to take part in quality improvement and to look at the problems that we encounter on a day-to-day basis and see how we can improve those.
I was always interested in digital innovations and technology, and I feel like coding's a really important element of it. And and because the course was taught by medical doctors,
I wanted to get a greater appreciation for digital health.
But also because coding also gives me a more diverse portfolio, being able to go forward and do things outside of the remits of medicine.
I think that it's been really easy to understand and to pick up the concepts.
We're taught a concept and then we are coding live in small groups.
It's whenever we're working together in a community, often we're able to see the work that everyone else is doing in a non-judgmental way, because a lot of us will all have the same problems, and then you can see how someone else overcomes it and how they tackled it. And that's something, the fact that it's also like community collaborative learning, I think is something that you miss out whenever you're working on your own on some type of offline course, and it can mean that actually those roadblocks can become bigger than they need to be.
I really like the style of the course. So we get like a lecture at the start, and then we get to break into groups to do like the exercises, and I felt like it was a really just comfortable and friendly environment.
A lot of the coding examples in which the concepts are explained are medically orientated.
The mentors that I've been working with are absolutely amazing. We each get our own personal mentor as well on top of it, which really helps.
I think the main advantage, which you can't replicate from an online course that you can do offline, is that you get this real-time interaction between the mentors in small group sessions that actually watch you code in real time.
Then we are coding live in small groups where all of our code is being analysed, and we're getting instant feedback.
You can go into a breakout room where you then learn to code it yourself. You try and code yourself and can share your screen with your instructor when you're doing so, and then they give you real-time feedback. And for me, that's been a really, really effective way of picking up the skills.
After each session, we'll have a task, and it's all medically themed, so it's all relevant, and we'll have to carry that out in our own time. And again, there's mentorship throughout the week. So that kind of active element of the course is kind of unparalleled.
You have someone there that you can talk to during the lesson, but all you guys are so approachable as well, that if we ever do have a problem, then we can talk to you at any point during the week and we can go through it together. And I think that's important as well. It's just feeling that, we don't need to spend 2 days on an issue. At least we can come to you guys after we've tried a little bit and maybe hit a roadblock and something. And I think that's a really important resource.
I feel like I'm really well supported by the CodeMed team because, like I said, they're very approachable and they're willing to spend the time to explain things when we have questions during the lesson.
Great thing about this course is that missing a session is not a problem at all, because all of the sessions are recorded and the recordings are sent out within a few days. So it's easy to go over the session if you've not seen it at all.
The thing that really stands out for me is the sessions that we have every week where it's a collaborative effort where we all see where the problems are, we all have a go, and we have supervisors watching us being able to tweak it and improve it. And I think that's where I feel I'm definitely improving week on week because of that style of learning.
The fact that I can hit them up any time of the day, trouble them, and they're always eager to help. And I think that's my favorite bit of this.